guys, welcome to the summer 2026 Mary Kay product launch. I can't wait to show you all of what's new and exciting in the Mary Kay world for this season. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this video so you can get all of my product tutorials, and if you're a beauty consultant, all of my training and education, and we'll be back with the new products. Let's get started with a little bit of fun glam for the summer season. In fact, I just did a tutorial on underpainting, which is on page 12 of the new lookbook, and I used these. But we have two limited edition cream cheek colors. You guys, it's called Spark Change and Kind Spirit, and they come in this neat little tube, and they just like wind up and down, so you can push them up like this. There we go. I had to release it and then back down. So they're great colors, but you guys, they're loaded with skin hydrating ingredients like jojoba oil. That's how you say that. I never knew that, but that's how you say that. And also vitamin E and coconut. So they feel really, really good. Now, Mary Kay does not recommend this, but I really like this Spark Change on my lips. So I'm gonna give myself just a quick little lippy here. For all you Mary Kay people, if you have been a Mary Kay customer or a Mary Kay consultant for a very long time, it reminds me of Sunset lipstick. I'm getting Sunset vibes. And then the Kind Spirit is a lighter peach. And don't be scared of this, it doesn't go on orange, it's a beautiful peach. So if you have lighter skin tones or you like kind of that light peach, honestly, I have to have both of these. They are that good. So I just did my underpainting tutorial and I used this one. They're super easy to put on. You just take some and you can use whatever blending tool of your choice, and you just put a little on your cheek. I love cheek colors, so we're gonna go a little extra. And then you just blend with your blending tool. And look at that. And you guys, this is so good because it helps you keep that glowy, look at that pretty little cheek there. It helps you keep that glowing glass skin look, which is still so on trend, and so it just gives you that healthy looking glow. So these retail for $20 each. And what's really neat about this, okay, I gotta share this with you. So each one of these is why I wanted to start with this. This is Mary Kay's Global Pink Changing Lives initiative. So every single one of these sold through April 26th through November 15th. So that's exciting. They're gonna donate $1 from the sale of each of these to the Mary Kay Foundation, which the Mary Kay Foundation benefits research for cancers that affect women and domestic violence shelters, which is a really awesome cause. So these are fun and our first summer product that I had to bring to you today. Let's keep the glamour train going for summer and talk about lash goals. You guys, we have a new mascara. I love it when Mary Kay launches new mascara because look at this mascara wardrobe we've been building. Last fall, we launched Great Heights. Then we launched Great Heights Waterproof, and now this is the new, here it is, beautiful, our new Fan Out Define and Lift. It is our Lash Love Fanorama Define and Lift Mascara. Now you might be like, this is not new, Emily. I've used Lash Love Fanorama before. This is the new Lash Love Fanorama Define and Lift, so it is different. So just like the old Lash Love, it has that triple, well, you can see this, fanned out brush. See how it's like hourglass shaped? And on the tip of it here, it does have combs. So I love, this is actually my favorite mascara because you can really get in those like inner lashes that you might have right here. And then the hourglass shape really defines and separates and gives you that lift. It also has the Mary Kay Panthenol Complex. You guys, Panthenol is vitamin B5, so it conditions your lashes and strengthens them while you're wearing mascara. So it's so good for your lashes, which is what I love. This is also a very long wearing mascara. There's no flaking, no smearing. Fun story about me, I have super sensitive eyes, and if mascara of any kind flakes in any sort of way, it's a no for me. I've worn this now for 2 weeks. I've never had an issue with it, and I absolutely love it. I also love, what girl doesn't like a fun little hot pink tube? I don't know, I personally love it. Here's some fun things that are in your catalog. 92% lashes say that lashes stay fully fanned out. So if you like, this mascara is good if you like lift, but you also like your lashes kind of fanned out and lifted. And 93% said lashes stayed defined and separated, and then 84% said it created an instant lash lift effect. So if you like that lift, you like the separation, the definition. We have other mascaras if you need more length, if you need more waterproof, bold volume, and you can wardrobe your mascara, meaning you can wear multiple mascaras at once to kind of get different benefits. But this is a great all-in-one mascara if you are looking for just kind of like medium to bold lashes that are separated, that are hard to discover on the inner corner, and it retails for $18. I love this new mascara for summer. Now you might be wondering, what do we have for the guys, right? Oh my goodness, you guys, Mary Kay dropped a new cologne for summer. Look at this beautiful square bottle. It is the Mary Kay True Optimism, and I'll be honest, the first time I smelled it, I was like, I'd wear that, but it's not feminine at all, but it smells amazing. I did take it to a bridal fair and everybody loved it. It smells really, really good. So just to kind of give you the scoop, Mary Kay has lots of men's fragrances. So this is just the newest one in our lineup of men's. And this one, so the top notes on this one are citrus and sweet fruit are the top notes of this. And then the middle notes are cypress and fresh florals. And then the lingering warmth, okay, you really kind of smell, the after smell of it is a bottom note of, I cannot say this word, vetiver. It sounds really bougie, vetiver. So it's got a bottom note of that, but it is very long lasting. It smells really good. It's not like anything else Mary Kay has in their lineup. So if you are looking for great Father's Day ideas or just, I don't know, maybe a man needs to smell different, I will say this. I've got to tell my YouTube world this. I have a 13, almost 14-year-old boy, and he smelled it and he's like, Mom, can I have the bottle? It is quote unquote Riz. So this has been deemed Riz in the Gen Alpha world. Mary Kay's new True Optimism cologne, what more do you need? It retails for $55. It is featured in our new summer lookbook, and if you are one of our preferred customers, you will be getting a sample of it with your quarterly catalog that your consultant sends you. Now, quick note, if you're like, I would love to be on a preferred customer thing where I get a catalog with an exclusive sample once a quarter, I do have a link in my description where we can work together. You can also scan this QR code that I have. If you are already working with a Mary Kay girl, we are huge about, pushing people to their consultant. So please, please, please stick with your girl. She has all the access to all of these things that I do as well. And she's gonna be able to help you out just fine. But if you are out there watching this and you're like, oh, I would like to kind of sample these, maybe you wanna know which one of those cheek colors would work best for you, how to do underpainting in your shades, what your foundation is, you can go ahead and click on that link, give me whatever info you are comfortable giving me, and we'll connect and work together and get you the right things. All right, last but not least, we have to talk about Complexion, because Complexion is the flagship product line of this summer launch. We have a new foundation that is revolutionary, and we have a new tool to help you blend it on your face. So this is Mary Kay's new Complexion Sponge. And you'll see it's a fun new shape. I have used this one and cleaned it. First off, if you are new to the Complexion Sponge world, there are two different ways that you can use it. You can use it dry if you're using powder products. So if you're using a loose powder, a pressed powder, you would use the sponge dry. But 9 times out of 10, you're gonna be dampening the sponge, and you completely wet it. I like to stick it under the faucet and get a bunch of water in it and then squeeze it out. Water in it, squeeze it out, water in it, squeeze it out. I like to do that like 6 times to get the sponge to where it needs to be. And then at the last ring, I just go, like I make a fist like this. You do not wanna make a dish towel motion with these sponges. It can wreck your sponge. But this curved side is kind of like an all-over foundation blender. And then this pointed, and it's very like a harsh kind of like cliff drop off. That gets, look at that, it just gets in, well, you can get this in here really good. Gets in all those nooks and crannies really well. So if you need to kind of get in those tight spaces. And then you'll see this bump out right here. So this bump out is great if you're baking, like you're baking in some powder, and then this flat side kind of helps you blend that baking of your powder. So I absolutely love this sponge. And it retails for $14. Now, one little tip that I like to give people, I like to have a bag. I travel a lot, especially in the summer. I like to go places on the weekend. Maybe you have your cabin, maybe you have like a place that you go kind of frequently. I like to have a separate bag with doubles of all of my skincare and makeup. So I have one, set at home and one set in that travel bag. So I don't have to constantly be packing and unpacking my stuff. I just grab my travel bag and I have it. So you could grab yourself a couple of these sponges. So you have one in your travel bag, one in your home, and then you are set. And you can do so much of this. You can blend concealer with it. You can blend that cream cheek color with it. You can blend all your foundation. Again, I have an underpainting tutorial where I talk about putting your, you can blend your concealer and stuff with it. You can blend the foundation over. There's so much you can do with this multifaceted tool. Make sure if you have acne prone skin that you are cleaning your sponge every single time you use it. You can use fancy soap, brush cleaner, honestly. Dawn Power Wash. That's what I use to clean mine. I know you might be like, oh, gasp! But you know what? They use Dawn on the little duckies when there's an oil spill, and so it is safe for your makeup tools, and it does tend to get a lot of that makeup out. So just making sure that you're cleaning your makeup sponge more frequently. But I absolutely love this new one. It feels, honestly, it just feels good in my hands. It's so soft. So get yourself one of these if you're wanting to do some of those advanced kind of blending techniques. All right, y'all, last but certainly not least, Mary Kay's new foundation lineup. FYI, this baby has its very own video because I cannot do it justice, so I'm just gonna give you a preview here, but please, please check out that video. It's in the description. I will also have it in my end screen because there are two formulas, or two finishes, I should say, in this foundation. It is our new TimeWise Matte 3D Foundation. This is new and improved, new ingredients, new technology, new amazing, and oh my coverage. You guys, this foundation, one light layer, covers like a layer of foundation, concealer, and powder used to cover in our old line. So get excited about this. And if you are used to using Mary Kay foundation, don't worry. We have a whole conversion chart where we can show you, like if you were beige W100, you're gonna be medium 1. Okay, I just know that off the top of my head because that was my shade. And the shade that I am wearing in this video is light, or medium 1, excuse me. And you guys, this foundation, 36 shades, it's a big deal. That's very shade inclusive. I love that. Lightest ivory to darkest of, bronze. And then all day wear, it resists humidity and sweat. Summer, high humidity, sweat. It has the TimeWise 3D complex. So the 3Ds are defend, delay, and deliver, but it has resveratrol, which is anti-aging. It has vitamin B3 and an age-defying peptide. So in addition to getting your foundation, you're also getting anti-aging, which is really, really cool. And then two finishes. A matte finish if you have more combination to oily skin. This will keep you looking matte all day. And a luminous version if you have dry skin, or you like the glass skin look, or you like that dewy look. I love that kind of dewy look. It just, makes your face kind of glow. That is what I prefer, so I tend to wear that. I have a personal belief anyone over 35 should wear luminous because it sits differently in your fine lines, wrinkles, that type of thing that start coming in. But if you are really, really oily, that's the exception to that. But just to give you an idea, it does retail for $28, and it comes in so many shades again. And I love the beautiful, just look at this beautiful tube, okay? It's like a really pretty kind of rose gold. And the other great thing is Mary Kay changed the tube, so it now has this needle nose, so it's like really easy to take the foundation, get it on your face, you can put it on the back of your hand or directly into your tool, so that you only get the precise amount that you need. There's less waste, so I love that too. I'm gonna leave you, before we go, with me trying this foundation for the very first time. Again, if you want my full foundation video where I talk about undertones, I talk about all of that, I have two videos. One is more about the product, and one is if you're a beauty consultant and you want to learn how to match. I have a whole framework to help you learn how to match foundations with your clients. Again, if you are a customer and you're not already working with a beauty consultant and you would love to be professionally matched for a foundation, you guys, I'm a huge believer in that. If it's been a while, it's kind of like a bra fitting, right? We got to get those redone every now and then. This is your professional foundation match because you might be wearing the right depth. I find most people kind of go by depth, meaning how light or dark it is, but you might be wearing the wrong undertone, and I want to leave you with the horrendous nature of what that can do to you because I've done it, okay? So here's me wearing foundation in the wrong undertone. They're about the same depth, so lightness-wise, I know you won't believe me on that, but it is literally just the difference in one was a cool foundation and one was a warm foundation, and I'm a warm undertone, so I need to have that warm foundation. And that's what a beauty consultant can do for you. So I'm gonna leave you before we go though with my initial reaction the very first time I used this foundation, what that was like. And it's funny when I watch it now because I was like freaking out all day about this foundation in all of my chat groups, in all of my live groups that I work with, and I am so excited about this foundation. So if you need a great foundation, it retails for $28. You can learn more about all of these products. I have a link to my marykay.com website in the description. Thank you so much for hanging out. Here's me trying the foundation for the very first time. I'm in my bathroom, no special lighting besides the light that's really ugly on my ceiling. I wanted to give you my real-time reaction to the new Mary Kay TimeWise foundation. It is, I think it's April 12th, I don't know, somewhere mid-April. And they sent me a buzz kit with some of the products, and so they did have my shade, allegedly my shade, just reciprocal from our old foundation. So if you're using our old foundation, there are reciprocal shades. And I don't have the luminous. I normally would do luminous, but I'm gonna try the matte. So I have Mary Kay appointments today. all day, and we're gonna see how this wears and how it covers. It has this great like little needle nose situation. I've never tried this on my face, so I thought it would be fun to kind of get my reaction in real time. I have no idea if this is the amount I should be using. It's probably way too much, but you know what? Go big or go home. So here we go. And I did all my usual skincare over top. Wow, okay, so that's some coverage. Wow, okay, that's fun. I was hoping this would be more coverage because we've gotten such like a lighter coverage thing, and then you end up using more concealer and okay. Now this is the test because I have more sun damage on this side of my face. You can kind of see this spot. I've got some, I don't know why. What is, it's not the driving side. I don't know, maybe it's from passengering. And I'm just using our liquid foundation brush, which is what I normally use. Wow, look at that, you guys. Normally I have to like put a bunch of concealer to cover up that spot. Does not feel heavy. I mean, feeling wise, it feels kind of what I remember our old foundation being, so it doesn't feel, I mean, as it's going on, I mean, I haven't touched, ooh, that felt kind of good. Wow, okay, so that's just like, I'm sorry, I just like, I haven't tried this before, and I'm really impressed. Like, coverage wise, wow, like I normally have to sit and like go like this, and then I get my concealer and I put concealer here to conceal out that part, but I feel like one light layer of this and I'm good to go. And to be honest, like, even though this is the matte formula, at first glance, I can still see, if you can see the light kind of hitting it, still got some dew, still got some of my natural dew. I can't wait to see how this wears today. I'm gonna come back, actually, I'm gonna check in throughout the day. That's a good idea. I'm coming up with this in real time, which is always fun. And I'm gonna see how I like this, but so far I'm like, wow, this is gonna cut my makeup routine time in half just based on the coverage and the feel. So yay! I came back here because I am freaking out. Like with my team, I'm like, oh my gosh, Mary Kay did it again, oh my gosh. You guys, look at these before and after photos. No filters on either of these. This foundation covers. Like, I don't have any concealer on right now. It is literally a light, you saw me put it on, the layer of foundation I put on, and it's not, like, it feels like my skin. I don't feel any texture, any cakiness, any thickness. I don't even think I have anything on my face. Oh my gosh. I mean, seriously, I have not freaked out about a product like this. I don't even know the last time I freaked out this much. Maybe the Barrier Restore, because that's kind of a really cool product, but this is like my H2 darker things are completely covered. This is a game changer. Super excited. That's all I can say for now.